Firigisheni ya kuhitana na Itoi cia Al-Shabaab iria irahithukire mukawa wa Dusit irekireire mathaini ma thaa thita kuri maabitha borithi ruhonge-ini rwa GSU na maabitha ruhonge-ini rwa KDF maratongoragia firigisheni ya kung'ethanira na Itoi ici na kuria mahotire kuraga ithano ciacio guku nakio kimwe gigituthurana nduthuki muthenya wa ira.
Fellow citizens, Kenya was yesterday struck by a gang of criminals who hoped to terrorize our people by committing acts of murder and mayhem. I can now confirm that as of about 1 hour ago, the security operation at Dusit complex is over and all the terrorists eliminated.
Nyumba ya Dusit ditu irahithukirwo ni Itoi ici muthenya wa ira mathaini ma thaa 9:30 na kuria maragagiria Akenya aria marari thiini gwa kahinda gatanyihiire mathaa 18 na gucungiriria ikuũ cia Akenya 13 na ageni eri kuma mabũrũri ma Ngeretha na Amerika na angikihiri gutigwo na nguraro njuru cia rithathi.
As of this moment, we have confirmation that 14 innocent lives were lost through the hands of these murderous terrorists, with others injured. We are grieving as a country this morning, and my heart and that of every Kenyan goes out to the innocent men and women violated by senseless violence. We wish the injured quick recovery, and as a nation, we will continue to pray for them.
Mihango ya kuhonokia aria maranyititwo migwate ni tabanirio na gikiro kia iguru muno ni maabitha a borithi rungu rwa murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa GSU niwe Douglas Kanja na kuria marahotire kuhonokia makiria ma Kenya 700 mari muoyo.
Over 700 civilians were evacuated to safety from the compound since the start of the attack through the early hours of this morning.
Mutongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta ni agathiriirie wirutiri munene wa maabitha a borithi o hamwe na Akenya aingĩ aria marekinyitie thibitari-inĩ itiganĩte niguo gukorwo makihotha thakame.
As Commander-in-Chief, I want to commend the quick and effective response by all our fighting teams for neutralizing all the terrorists involved in the attacks. We have dealt with the threat decisively and shown our enemies and the world that we as a country are ready to deal with any threat to our nation.
Kahinda-inĩ o kau Uhuru ni eranĩire kung'ethanĩra na aria othe maranyitire itemi harĩ gukinyanĩria gwa tharĩkĩro ĩno na aria othe mekũnyitikana ni megũtũngana na guoko kũrũmu kwa watho.
We will seek out every person that was involved in the funding, planning, and execution of this heinous act. We will pursue relentlessly wherever they will be until they are held to account.
Mwena wake CS ugitiri wa thiini niwe Fred Matiang'i ni oritia Kenya matikaguoyohio ni tharĩkĩro ya ira mugitiri ni ugacirithĩtio kũndũ guothe gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Our country. I need to assure the people of Kenya that the country is safe, we are secure, and we are ready to defend our country. We will not bend, we will not retreat, and we are not going to be intimidated by thugs whose interests are to try and hurt our way of life. Our way of life will continue as always, and we are not going to be distracted by such cowardly elements in our society.
Tharĩkĩro ĩno tiyo ya mbere gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kuona atĩ mwaka-inĩ wa 2013 nyũmba ya Westgate ni yatharĩkĩirwo nĩ Itoi cia Al-Shabaab na gũtiga andũ matanyihiire 67 makuĩte. Gũkũ nakuo mwaka wa 2015 tharĩkĩro ĩngĩ nene nĩ yatabanirio University-inĩ ya Garissa na Kenya 147 magĩte mĩoyo yao. Guku mihang'o ino ya kuhurana na Itoi ici igikinya muthia muthenya wa umuthi, kiuria kinene ni hihi ni nginyagia ri bururi wa Kenya uguthii na mbere gukorwo kigumirwo ni tharikiro ici cia ekinai. Ngiribotera mohoro ma Njata TV kuma Dusit D2 Hotel. Rito rako ni Mike Kamau.